Graham Fleming. I'm from Perth, Australia. My teeth had never been good. I broke the first one at the age of 10. That happened to be upper front tooth. And from that onwards, there's no photograph of me with full teeth. But once both sets were in, it was like, great. And at last I can eat ice cream without that searing cold pain shooting through. I don't think it could have been any better. From a surgical point of view, it couldn't have been better. And if I think these look good now, I'm expecting them to look even better with the permanent.
After completing the check-in procedure, patients receive a direct consultation from our specialists, who tailor the most optimal full mouth restoration plan to perfectly match their expectations. To ensure pinpoint accuracy, patients undergo X-ray and 3D CT scans, allowing doctors to thoroughly assess the underlying bone structure. Based on these insights, a digital simulation of the implant placement is created, guaranteeing millimeter precision before any procedure begins. Let us move on to the first phase, implant placement surgery. Performed in a specialized operating room, the implantation follows the predetermined plan flawlessly. Sterile standards are always our top priority, backed by a strictly sterilized instrument system. Patients can rest completely assured, as the entire procedure is performed under gentle local anesthesia. Thuy prioritizes world-renowned implant brands with clear origins for their exceptional durability and global support network. Even better, within just 48 hours, a temporary prosthesis will be completed, allowing patients to confidently eat, speak, and smile while waiting for the final result. After 3 months, the clinic will proactively schedule a follow-up appointment for the patient to finalize their smile. The permanent teeth will be meticulously crafted by master technicians, restoring a natural chewing sensation and aesthetics that are more radiant than ever. A seamless, closed-loop process that delivers absolute satisfaction and peace of mind. Upon completing the treatment, patients leave with a brilliant smile and a long-term support commitment from our medical team.